Hey guys, Rob Robillard from Toolbox Buzz. I'm out visiting my friend Jay with Central Ohio Power Tool, and we are here at his storefront today, and we're looking at, we're at the Greenlee booth. They have this thing they set up for end users. End users can come in, they can meet with the reps, they can learn about the tools, they can get updates and different things on what's available. Tom?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me a little bit about what we have here? You're probably better holding that, right? Like I was curious, like, what is this?
Absolutely.
I'm a carpenter, so I don't.
Right. No. So this would be a safe way to strip cable, rather than unsafe methods such as using an open blade or things like that. So basically, you just take the tool here is a G2090, stick your cable inside.
So you just put your finger in here like that, you pull back.
Exactly. Yep.
And that's a scoring.
Yeah. One way will make a circular cut, so you do that a few times, and then you spiral it back off, and it'll strip the jacket right out off the cable.
Wow, that is cool.
Yeah, really neat tool, safe method. Probably.
What's something like this cost?
Safest way. It'd be right around $100.
$100.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
What about this little gizmo gadget here?
So that's a new tool that we launched this year. That is the torque screwdriver kit. Basically, we're seeing with the new code out that you have to have, a certificate of your torques and then have them all recorded. So this tool allows you to do that. Comes in a nice set with all your bits and heads there.
So you said record it. How do you record it? Do you have to log it? It doesn't record it for you.
You have to log it.
Okay.
The tool comes with a year worth of calibration, and then every year you have to recalibrate it after that.
Comes in a nice kit. It zips up like this.
Exactly.
What does this kit retail for?
Well, for the end user, that would probably be around like $275.
$275. So it's not cheap, but you're getting. This is what you're paying for.
Right, you're paying for the tool and you're paying for the kit and all of your included bits there.
So what are some of the other things that we have here?
Something new that we just did was we took our knockout line.
Yep.
And what you see here is we made a lot of improvements to it. If you want to get in there, basically some of the features that stand out immediately are the laser etched alignment markings. So that's important when you're going to punch a hole in a box. You want to make sure it's straight. You have made in the USA laser etched markings, which these are all going to be still made here in the States.
And how do you do that? You just you wrench it on?
Yeah, exactly. So you can use a ratchet style. We have many ways to do this. Ratchet style, the most popular new innovative way though, I would say, is the battery platform.
Oh, it's very cool.
Take hold of that. We have capabilities to punch up to a 6-inch hole with the battery style punches.
So you're running a Makita battery on your tool. How does that?
We are, yeah. We partnered with Makita.
Makita to do that?
Yep. So
this is called the Gator?
That's a Greenlee Gator. That's a LS50 battery powered knockout.
And then I don't know if you can see this, but this gives you about 270 degrees.
Yep.
Rotation.
Pretty much full rotation when that draw stud is on. And then basically it's just trigger activated. So it'll drive right through the material that you're punching.
And then you can just reverse it.
Yep. Exactly.
Super simple.
Really simple, really easy.
Comes with a kit with the battery.
So you can buy it. You can buy it as a tool. You can use your existing punches and dies. You can buy it as a kit, 1/2 through 2, 1/2 through 4-inch, anything like that.
So what kind of pricing are we looking at? Bare tool kit, approximately.
Give or take, you're going to be around $1,000, $1,500 when you're putting a kit together.
Yeah.
Whereas something like the ratchet style is going to be cheaper, down towards $400 or $500.
And most of the applications we're seeing, they're punching holes through what, electrical boxes?
Electrical boxes, panels, anywhere that you need to basically run some wire or cable through. Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.
Definitely. Thank you very much.
So that was the Greenlee booth. We've got the RIDGID booth next. Let's walk over and see what we got.